How to get YouTube AdSense payments faster. Are you tired of waiting for what seems like forever to receive your hard-earned YouTube AdSense payments? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and tricks that can help you get your payments faster. From optimizing your account settings to ensuring timely processing, these strategies are sure to make a difference. First, make sure your AdSense account information is up to date. This includes verifying your address, bank account details, and tax information. Having accurate and complete information reduces the chances of delays. Next, choose electronic funds transfer or EFT as your payment method. EFT is generally quicker than receiving a check by mail. This method directly deposits your earnings into your bank account and typically processes within a few business days once the payment is released. Consider adjusting your payment threshold. The default threshold is usually set at $100, but you might want to lower it if you're receiving ad revenue frequently. Lowering the threshold allows payments to be processed as soon as the minimum is reached. Don't forget to keep an eye on your payment schedule. YouTube typically processes payments between the 21st and 26th of each month for the previous month's earnings. Ensuring all information is correct before this time frame can prevent unnecessary holdups. Finally, stay informed about any issues that might delay payments. Regularly checking YouTube's blog or support pages can alert you to potential issues with payment timelines and solutions you might need to implement. If this video helped you speed up your YouTube AdSense payments, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.